Ryan from Sky Avionics with you. It's an exciting day. It's early. I've been up since 4 a.m. just with the excitement of the day to come, because today is the day we're going to do the first run of this Beaver that has the engine from Red installed on it. It's awesome to see the work of all involved, all the companies involved come together. So later on, we're going to be seeing the video of our first run. And why is this project just so monumental? Well, here we've taken a brand new engine designed by Red in Germany. It's FADEC controlled. Sealand Aviation has designed the engine mount, where all the accessories are mounted. Bill Alder is so forward thinking in trying to find an alternative engine for this iconic Beaver that's fuel efficient, supplies a lot of power. And so it's cool to be part of this project. Sky Avionics has definitely been honored. We've worked on designing, installing the electrical system, the caution panel. And we know there's still a lot of work to be done in the days ahead, but it's just exciting to get this first run completed and just see the result of all this hard work. And it's pretty cool to be involved in a project like this, taking a brand new engine and installing it on an aircraft as iconic as the de Havilland Beaver. Really the workhorse of the coast, the north. Very cool project indeed. And so we're going to show you our first run. So we're getting ready here for the first dry run. Okay. What's wrong with these cushions?
They're just awesome. Not quite as nice. Although they match the interior. But they're no gold. They just
Click in. Click in. Clear. Yeah, good.